Hello everyone. So today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be doing an unboxing video. And I just got a bunch of stuff from Archer and Olive, a bunch of their Halloween stuff. So let's go ahead and I will just dive right in. So this first one is going to be the dot grid notebook. And it's a new special Halloween design that they have. And I actually got this one in B5 too. But just look at how beautiful that Halloween design is. I love the spider webs. And it has the gilded edges, the silver gilded edges. And this one is just a white dot grid. And the boxes are beautiful too. And you can always repurpose the boxes. So this is a B5 and this is their spider web design. And this is like a navy color and it has some blue glitter. I don't know if you could see that. It also has the gilded edges as well, and then the spider web design. And then this one I got in a blackout notebook, which I thought was perfect for Halloween. Okay, and the next one is just that first design that I already showed you, but just in a B5 and a blackout. And the gilded edges. Beautiful. Okay, the next thing is this Halloween box, which look at how beautiful the packaging is. First of all, these are glow-in-the-dark highlighters. Sometimes it's hard to open up the package on these pens. But I'm excited for these. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure I'll do a video using them. So make sure you check that out. And then this one says keepsake pens with enamel charm. Which are adorable. This box says spells and enchantments, which is very cute. And it comes with some stickers and then the washi tape, which is glow in the dark. And it's like a magnetic closed box. And these are the stickers, perfect for Halloween. Or you don't even really have to use them for Halloween either. I'm really excited about these foiled collage paper. It's like a vellum paper with designs on it that you can put over a page. But they're really pretty. And different designs. I think there's 2 pages of each design with 2 designs each. Okay, and now for the notebook. And this material is like, it is like a cloth material, but it's very like soft, almost like a satin. So it feels really nice, actually. I wasn't expecting that. So I don't know if you can see the texture, but it's just very smooth. It's not like your other cloth notebooks. And then this is a dot grid, A5 dot grid. And I'm curious to know, do you guys take the paper out of the box? I always take the paper out and just have the notebook in the box. So I'm interested to know what you guys do. Okay. Now moving on. These are their monthly accessory boxes. And this is the one for October. And I do get these monthly because I love the ease of knowing what I'm going to be, how I'm going to be decorating my bullet journal without having to think about it. So it comes with really everything that you would need to decorate a bullet journal. So let's start with the washi. So it's a fall theme, which I love the color palette. There's cats and pumpkins. Very cute. And then next there's some paper clips, which are different shapes. The cat, I guess they're all cats. But I love these little paper clips because you can use them for multiple things besides just clipping paper. You can use them for flat lays, decorations. They're very cute. And this is a cute notepad. And then we've got the stickers that come with it monthly, which also are within the color palette and the theme. So you see cozy, pumpkins, cats, fall colors. Very cute. And then the stencil. Which definitely helps if you're not very good at doodles. It's just nice to have a stencil to be able to follow without having to freehand anything. I also love that it comes with these colored papers that also go with the color scheme. It's nice, you can just tear them or glue them and cut them nicely and add them in, and everything just fits cohesively because it's all within the same color palette. So we have the stickers, which each of them come with 2 sheets. So there's 2 sheets of this, the cats and the fall themes. And then the other one has like the days of the week and the numbers of the days, which are very nice. So you don't have to write everything out. You just stick them on. And this one also comes with 2 as well. So you can pretty much do a whole month because it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday through Sunday. And there's 2 different ones. So like I'll alternate back and forth. One week will be these stickers. The next week will be these. And you have 2 sets of them, so you can practically do the whole month. And then it also comes with a couple other stickers that go with it. And then also this Dutch door, which I love, because it fits for any size journal that you may have. So I use A5, so you can cut it down. It comes out to be about right there. You can cut it down, or if you have a B5, you can also keep it long, but it's perfect. And they also don't have the month. They used to put the months on them, but now they don't have the months on them. So it really works for any month. Like if you didn't want to use this, if you want to use this for November, you could use it for November too. So also I like this cutout envelope that it comes in. Sometimes I'll just like cut these shapes out and then paste them somewhere inside my bullet journal as well. So that is everything that I have gotten. Let me know what you guys think. And let me know what was your favorite as well. I think my favorite is for sure the A5 journal with the new design on it for Halloween. I think it was, let's see. This one is for sure my favorite. I love the box. It was modeled after a box that they had last year for Halloween. And this looks beautiful, just like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like these unboxing videos. I can do it with other art supplies too that I get. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.